take out the engine to clean it, and it's stuck. So I need to get it loose, take out the carburetor to clean it up also. It's easy to take it out, only 2 bolts and 2 wires and the gas and the choke. I'm cleaning the engine. It's still stuck. I need to open the cylinder, but we first need to clean. I tried to release the cylinder, but it's still stuck. So I will go take off the cylinder head. Surprisingly, the bolts are getting loose easy. I did put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. After that, I could take out the cylinder. Now I will put it in again to clean it, to get the rust off here and here. I got to use some cutting oil. It's for cooling, and I use this. This one is more difficult because it has some holes inside the cylinder. You can see it's nice and smooth now.